In this particular video, we will look into the structure of viruses. Now, if we talk about the structure of viruses, it can have three parts. The first part is the envelope. This envelope is the outermost part, but it can be present and it can also be absent. So, it is not essential to have envelope in the case of viruses. Now, the two parts which are certainly present, the first part is called as protein coat or capsid, and inside the protein coat there will be genetic material. First, talking about the protein coat. Now, protein coat is the covering that will protect the nucleic acid or genetic material. This protein coat is formed of small subunits, and the subunits are called as capsomeres. These capsomeres are arranged in certain helical or polyhedral geometric forms. We can look into this particular tobacco mosaic virus example structure. In this case, it is the small capsomeres which are shown here, and it will be protecting the genetic material, that is RNA. Talking about the genetic material, in this case, DNA can be present or RNA can be present, but there is no virus which has both DNA and RNA. Some viruses will have only DNA and some viruses will have only RNA. Now, virus causes a lot of infections. Now, the infectious material is the genetic material. So, infection is not caused by envelope or the protein code. Infection is in fact caused by the genetic material which is present in the case of virus. Now, viruses can infect animals, viruses can infect plants, and viruses can also infect bacteria. The viruses which infect bacteria are called as bacteriophages, and we will look into different viruses that can infect animals, plants, and bacteriophages. Talking about the animals, the viruses that infect these, in them the genetic material can be single-stranded RNA, it can be double-stranded RNA, it can as well be double-stranded DNA. So that means here single-stranded DNA is not present. The viruses which infect plants are generally having single-stranded RNA. A common example is tobacco mosaic virus, that is TMV. The bacteriophages, these usually have double-stranded DNA structure. Now, let us look into the structure. The first structure is of tobacco mosaic virus. The second structure is of bacteriophage, that is the virus that infects the bacteria. The different parts of bacteriophage, this particular part is called as head. Then comes the collar. This particular part is the sheath, and these are the tail fibers which are present in the case of bacteriophage.